Hi, it's Jim. One of the things that we might have discussed when we talked initially or when you were in the office is the whole issue of social media and how you approach social media issues once you've had an injury, particularly one where you have a claim that's going to be evaluated by an insurance company. We have gotten very comfortable as a society in sharing so much about our lives to other people through Facebook and all the other social media, Instagram, Twitter. You're certainly aware of them all. It's almost gotten second nature to take pictures of us doing virtually any activity that we can do, which is all great until you have an injury claim. Over the last 10 years, the defense industry, when they're looking at evaluating a personal injury claim, one of the first things they do is to go find out if someone has a Facebook account or a Twitter account or whatever they're looking through. And they will go through your Facebook or anyone that you are linked to. They'll spend a great deal of time going through that. And it doesn't mean they're looking for something where you say it's white and they're finding you doing black. It's not that. There are a number of things that they find on Facebook, particularly because so many times there's images that seem to be inconsistent with what someone is describing about their limitations or how an accident might have affected them. So it doesn't have to be a stark, I can do it or I can't do it, and they find someone doing it. It's a lot of subtlety. So my advice is you don't go on social media when you have an injury claim pending. You need to understand that anything you post on social media, you have to assume that it is in the file of the insurance industry, and that they either will use it, they'll question you about it at your deposition, they'll use it in a mediation, they'll send it to us, letting us know they have it if we're negotiating a case but we haven't filed suit. The other thing I would ask you to remember is that you certainly do not want to go back and start deleting things from your social media either. That can be considered an obstruction of evidence in terms of a good faith handling of your claim. Lawyers have gotten in trouble with the bar if they instruct clients to delete things from their social media accounts. So I'm certainly not suggesting you do that, and it's not good practice in any event. If you have questions about it, if someone wants to do something on social media, certainly we're here. Call us, ask us about it. But my advice is pretty much stay away from it until your claim gets resolved.